make a vegetable stock, you will need leek, celery, onion, tomatoes, diced, mushrooms, carrots, a bouquet garni with extra parsley in it, juniper berries, coriander seeds, extra peppercorns, and a head of garlic sliced in half. The process to make a vegetable stock, it's easy. Put everything in the pot here except the spices. So the mushrooms, the tomatoes, skin, diced, juice, everything. The celery, the onions, the carrots, and the head of garlic sliced in half, unpeeled, but washed and brushed thoroughly. Take the pot to the stove, cover with cold water. So you want to have the vegetables covered by about an inch of water. Bring it to a boil. Our stock is boiling, so turn it down to medium-low to keep a nice simmer. Remove the scum, as you can see here. Just pick it up. Stir. It smells great. Let it simmer for about an hour, skimming from time to time. Keep simmering your stock. It's been an hour, but first we're going to add the bouquet garni, and we're going to tie it up here on the side of the handle. Add the peppercorns. Place the juniper berries and coriander seeds in a mortar, and with the pestle, grind them. Smells fantastic. So crush them well, you see. Nothing is whole anymore, and add them to the stock. Then give it a stir. Continue simmering slowly for another hour. Remove the bouquet garni. The stock has simmered for 2 hours, then strain it through a thin mesh. Look at this color, beautiful. Don't throw away the vegetables. Discard the bouquet garni, discard the head of garlic, and place the vegetables in a gratin dish, grated cheese on the top. In the oven, you will have a beautiful dish. The vegetable stock here, you see, it has a nice color. It's very fragrant. It's rich in flavor. It doesn't have strong aromas because when you make your vegetable stock, you want to stay away from certain vegetables such as anything from the cabbage family, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, or green bell peppers that taste horrible in a stock, or eggplants also, that would make the stock a bit bitter. Okay, so I have a whole list on the recipe also. Have fun, make vegetable stock fresh, and you will never buy again something commercial.